Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Elsa from Beavis Crafty Corner. And today I went on a little scavenger. Let's turn this over. I know, it's so pretty, right? No, we'll get rid of it. Did anybody say hello, 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 Harry, come up on my desk? I don't think so. Nope, didn't say it. Get down. 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 I'm trying to talk to the ladies. Get down. Get down. Yeah, that way. That's good. Go. All right. Love you. Bye. Okay. So, I went to get my hair cut today. No good. It is completely longer everywhere on the left side than it is on the right. And I think he knew that when he cut it, because he didn't bother to do that thing, you know, where they pull out the hair and they look at it and they go, okay. He didn't do that. So, I'm thinking it's crooked. And it is. It's actually longer on the left than it is on the right. But let's talk about what we're here for. After that, I needed some retail therapy. So Amy and I went shopping, and I went and I got this. This is the vinyl paper from the Dollar Tree, and I got it in the Buffalo check because we're going to use this for a project. And since I want it to be inexpensive, we're going to use the Dollar Tree version. Don't know how well that's going to work out, but we're going to give it a try. So we got that. And then we went to that new bin store that Amy and I found. And I got a timer. It's cool. This little red dial goes all the way around and then it goes back as it times out. So you can look at it from across the room and know what's needed. And then there was this. And these are earrings. I have no idea who would put one of these things in their ear. Because I got to tell you, these things are heavy. Okay? And they're ugly. Oh my God, are they ugly. But I'm going to break them up. You know? Probably going to cut it there and there. So I'm going to use this piece. Maybe this piece. Get rid of these loops. Get this and this. And I'll use it for something completely different than what it is. What else? Oh yeah, I gotta tell you, I found something new at the Dollar Tree. This is new. I've never seen these before. Yeah. They got the paper flowers. So we're going to put those away. These are the same. I'll tell you this. These are the exact same little flowers that you get from Little Birdie. Okay? How do I know this? Because Crafter Square buys their stuff from the same company that Little Birdie buys from. Okay, what else? So then I went to the Snobby, and I got these. I'm going to be using those. And these, we're going to be using these in a project. And I got some buffalo plaid fabric. And then I got this one, because it's really Christmassy, you know? So I got that one. And then, in case, just so I can practice, you know, for these, I grabbed those, because they're bigger, and I thought they would be cool. What else did I get? Oh, and the Amy, she got this. And she shared it with me. Yes, it's cringy. Bless you, honey. And I picked up some of these because we're going to need these for a project that I'm doing. I had to get them at the Hobby Snobby, but you guys can wait and get them at the Dollar Tree because the video won't even come out until the Dollar Tree has this stuff up. And then I was going to do this other project, and I had 16 things in the bin to do it. And then I went, wait a minute. And I saw this, and I grabbed it. This is a craft kit from Hobby Lobby. It makes 6 of these. We're going to make these little snowmen because there's all the stuff that we need in here. So we're going to make these little snowmen. They're cute. We were going to do it with just the styrofoam balls, but we're going to do it with this. And we'll do that. You know, it's just going to be an assembly video. Just putting it together. But that's it. That was all I got today. You know? Amy got a bunch of jewelry, though, that she can use for her boho journals, which was cool. And that's it. Yep. That be all I got today. Oh, no, and this. I got this. This is not a craft supply. Wizards Natural infused with essential oils. This is aromatherapy fragrance mist. Mental focus and restore energy. Rosemary and cinnamon. And I got to tell you, oh, this stuff smells heavenly. But I grabbed that. It's very cute. That's it. That's all I got until I see you guys again. Don't forget, if you have not done so already, go ahead and subscribe. Doesn't hurt. I promise. Does not hurt. Give me a thumb one way or the other. I don't care. It's all interaction. And check out the community tab here on the YouTube channel or over at the Facebook group, whichever one you prefer. There's links to everything in the description box below. Till I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye.